Hello, trading is closed on September 30th, 2014. I'm Jeff Tennant. Yesterday, the only call I had was that 1968.22 should print during regular trading hours, not necessarily today, but at some time. The low of the day was 1968.96. That's about 3/4 of a point away. That's not close enough for the mejt system, so the target remains. It should print. I can't say when. Usually we don't have to wait long. I was also hoping to buy a dip into 11:30 Eastern. Times here are Central. Instead, the pattern inverted, and we got a top at exactly 11:30 Eastern. I received a number of requests that the mejt software be available for platforms other than TradeStation. If we get enough interest, we will write the software for other platforms. Drop me a line at mejt.trades@gmail.com. Now let's get down to business. The system had a number of good calls during the day. Early on, it said ultimately higher prices would print. They did. Here's the color-coded target. The system said right away the rally beyond that point was a false move and would retrace. It targeted a drop all the way back down to this white dot. Later in the day, it said ultimately lower prices would print. They did. As the drop continued, the system said it was a false move and the prices would retrace all the way back up to this line, which they did. There are no new mejt targets for tomorrow. We still have the outstanding 1968.22 target. Well, what's going to happen tomorrow? There are mixed signals. We have a stilt, we have a diamond in formation, and a very high percentage of the time you get a stilt-like move up to the origin of the left stilt. However, in a minority of cases, this pattern will break down and give us a stilt-like move down. On Tom DeMark's 30-minute chart, we have a sequential buy signal with the lowest of the bars of countdown being bar 3. That traced lower than any other. Typically, the lower the number, the bigger the move up. We also have a sequential buy on the 65-minute chart with an early bar 13. In spite of all that, I'm very suspicious of the buy signals. I don't like the fact that we had a big volume drop. The market is hugging the 50-day moving average. If it breaks through, that's a very significant break. The best I can come up with for tomorrow is that 1968.22 has a futures equivalent which is already printed. I believe the equivalent will print in the cash market too. I think we are close to breaking out of the current trading range. If we don't take out the lows of the day early tomorrow, I think we have a decent chance for a good rally. If we do take out these lows early tomorrow, I'm not certain all the positive DeMark signals and inverted diamond on stilts will save us. I think the early trading will be significant. Not going to call the direction at this time, and that's today's call.